Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how I restored the yellowing discoloration on my boost by using a special pen called Sharpie. So more of this, I'll be talking in the video later. But if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and let me know what you think about the video later on by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. I'll see you later. Guys, just want to show you quickly the current state at which my NMDs are currently in. So here it is. You would notice that there's discoloration on the boost material all around, right? So I wanted to show you how I got from this to this. You might think it's not much, but the difference is night and day. I also used here the hyper laces that I got from Stephen. So I'll also be changing the other lace on my other NMD as well. Alright. I have here with me the NMD that I'll be working on using the oil-based Sharpie marker that I have here. So this is the bold point oil-based Sharpie that I'll be using to restore the boost of this NMD. So you have to shake the pen before using it, and so this is the bold point Sharpie. What you want to do is you want to shake the pen before using it and then gently push down where there's this discoloration. You want to make sure that you coat the boost material evenly. I'll show you later what they look like in better lighting once they're done. Depending on how yellow the boost material has become, you'll want to apply at least 1 or 2 layers of this Sharpie pen. Make sure that you're able to coat them evenly to cover all the yellowing of the boost. Personally, on my other pair of NMDs, I think I applied 2 to 3 coats using this pen right here. So yeah. I'll just work on this and then I'll show you the finished product. I forgot to mention, guys, you'll want to pull this to evenly coat the yellowing, or to coat the boost evenly. So you want to pull on the material of your shoe and then apply the marker as well to the sides, so that you won't apply white markings on the material itself. Hey guys, I just finished repainting the boost material on this shoe. So as you can see, they're as white as they could be once again. All I have to do now is replace the laces on this pair using this 3M reflective laces that I got from Stephen of Hyper Laces. So let's get into it. For the NMD R1s, I think you'd be able to use a 36 inches lace. But for these R2s, they actually have 5 eyelets, so you'll want to use something around 41 inches to 45 inches depending on what you intend to do with them. So I think the stock laces of these R2s are around 41 inches, but I'll be applying the 45 inches to this pair. First and foremost, you'll want this lace to go on top of the other lace, and it will alternate. So with all my shoes, that's the type of lacing that I do. I'll show you once they're done. I forgot to mention that before doing this, you'll want to make sure that the laces are even and pull them gently. There you have it, guys. I'm actually done restoring this pair and replacing the lace on the left shoe. So this is how they look like now. Close up of what they look like. So all I can
next level. Next level.
That's all we have for now, guys. If you liked the video that you saw, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as well as if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. More videos and updates will be coming soon in the next few days, so please stay tuned. As always, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.